But today, Ginger led him in a completely different direction. Hello down there. I'm heading up.
Have fun climbing.
Dark, but he could see a small speck of light at the other end.
In the quiet little town of Sunny Meadows, there lived a very special cat named Ginger, and had the kindest, most expressive eyes you've ever seen.
Ginger was a mother, and her world revolved around her tiny, fluffy orange kitten, Leo.
Leo was a bundle of joy, always dressed in his favorite pink pajamas, covered in little...
That afternoon, Ginger happily reviewed her grocery list.
Just need to grab the apples and the fresh catnip.
It appears we are temporarily out of your preferred salmon treats, Leo. But I was hoping for one today. I understand, but I assure you...
Oh, you loved? Oh, dear. We can't have that.
She turned to Leo, who was busy chasing a sunbeam on the floor.
Leo, my little love. Mama needs to pop out to the market. Will you be a good boy and come with me?
Leo's big round eyes lit up. A trip to the market with Mama was always an adventure. He scrambled to his paws and trotted over to Ginger, his little bare-eared hat bobbing with excitement.
You did wonderfully today, little one. I'm so proud of you. That's right, sweetheart. Now, hold my paw tight. We're gonna take a special route today. Mama's secret shortcut.
Usually, their walk to the market was a long, winding journey through the main streets of Sunny Meadows. It was a lovely walk, filled with friendly neighbors and interesting smells, but it took a long time.
But today, Ginger led him in a completely different direction.
They walked past their cozy little cottage and turned down a narrow lane they had never explored before.
The lane was lined with tall, whispering willow trees, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of honeysuckle.
Where are we going, Mama?
We're almost there, little one.
You'll see.
It's a magical path only mothers know about.
The lane soon opened up into a beautiful, sun-dappled meadow.
Fluttering among the wildflowers, these butterflies reveal wings of true stained glass, a testament to nature's artistry.
Leo gasped in delight. It was like stepping into a storybook.
They followed a barely there path that meandered through the tall grass. Leo loved how the soft blades tickled his nose.
Along the way, they met some interesting characters.
Oh, hello there!
Welcome, travelers.
A pleasure to see you. I trust you are enjoying the afternoon.
A fine day for a stroll, Mistress Ginger.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our meadow. We're so happy to see you. This shortcut was so much more fun than the noisy main road. After crossing the meadow, the path led them into a small, enchanted-looking wood.
The forest canopy is a world unto itself, filtering the light into these ethereal beams that dance upon the mossy floor.
It was cool and quiet, except for the cheerful chirping of birds.
Leo felt completely safe, holding on to his mother's warm paw. The forest was alive with friendly faces.
Hello down there. I'm heading up.
Have fun climbing. Look inside the log, little one. It looks like the perfect hiding spot.
Wow, really? Let's go explore.
This is the next part of our adventure.
The Whispering Tunnel. Leo peered inside. It was dark. He felt a tiny flicker of fear.
Don't worry, little one. It's safe to explore if we stick together.
Okay, I'm ready now. Let's go see what's inside the log. Don't you worry, my little lion.
I'll be right here with you. We'll walk through it together. Just think of it as a secret passageway.
Trusting his mother completely, Leo took a deep breath and stepped into the log.
As they emerged from the other side, Leo blinked in the bright sunlight.
They walked for a few moments.
It's much safer in here.
And cozy, too.
As they emerged from the other side, Leo blinked in the bright sunlight.
And there it was. Just a few steps away stood the town market, its colorful stalls bustling with activity.
Wow, look at all the colors. Can we get some of those berries?
Of course, sweetie. We can get the freshest ones right over there. Well, I suppose we have time for one treat before we head home. What do you say?
Oh, goody! Can we get the caramel apple?
You've certainly never seen anything like this before, have you, sweetie? I told you it was a secret shortcut, my dear.
They spent a wonderful hour at the market.
Look, Leo, the freshest salmon treats and vegetables for dinner stew.
Wow, salmon!
And a beautiful red apple that shined like a jewel. Go ahead, try some. It's our finest aged cheddar.
Wow, that's delicious!
La la la, what a beautiful market day.
When it was time to go home.
Can we go now, Ginger?
Yes, sweetie, let's go home. Can we take the secret shortcut back, Mama? Please?
Ginger smiled, her heart swelling with love for her adventurous little kitten. The journey back was just as magical. Leo felt braver this time, even waving to the shadows in the Whispering Tunnel. As they walked through the meadow, the sun was beginning to set, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink.
The sunset is beautiful tonight, Leo, with vibrant orange and purple hues.
Yes, Ginger.
Cozy in your soft bed now, Leo. Time to close those eyes and drift off to sleep. Sweet dreams.
He snuggled under the covers, his knitted hat still perched on his head, his tummy full and his heart happy.
Mama, was the shortcut really magic?
There you go, little one. All tucked in and cozy now. Time for sweet dreams.
The path itself is just a path, my love.
The real magic is the time we spend together and the love that guides us. Leo smiled, his eyes fluttering closed. He knew his mother was right.
As long as we have each other, any path we take will be an adventure.
The best shortcut in the world wasn't a place on a map. It was holding his mother's paw.
The best shortcut in the world wasn't a place on a map. It was holding his mother's paw. And with that happy thought, he drifted off to sleep, dreaming of sun-dappled meadows and...
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.